Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Is your Windows 11 PC running out of space? Don't worry, I will show you simple but effective ways to free up storage and boost your PC speed. So let's get started. Uh, First of all, go to Start, type Settings, open Settings, then go to System. As you can see on your left panel, go to System, then go to Storage. You have to scroll down a bit. Now you can see Storage option. Select it. Now turn storage sense. Because you can see your storage sense, just simply turn it on and click run storage sense now. As you can see here, click on it. Now it will automatic user content cleaner. It will clean automatically. Now run storage sense, and this will remove junk files, old updates, and temporary data in one click. Just click on now run storage sense now. As you can see here, it's cleaning up my files. It will take a few minutes. This alone can free several GBs of space. Now we are going to our second step. Go to search bar and type run, as you can see on the system. Open it. Now type clean mgr and press the enter. Now you can see, select the type you want to clean up. Just select the C drive and select the OK option. As you can see here, now it will ask temporary files to select temporary files and press the OK option. And that's it, guys. It will ask you to delete files. Just go to delete files permanently, and it will clean up your temporary files. And that's it. This is the easy ways to free up storage. I hope you liked it. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.